Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang kuya kiniki di ba na bagi advertisement?
Balay sila penjara na di. Papinyan kerpang kini. Like link bang kasyulong advertisement.com. Pinyo buwan kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bang kasyulong advertisement.com.
Ka group of minister GoM halo ka casino race course but online gaming beralam khamat do mentirang ba ka jala megalia konrad ke sangma haka ka pratrip chumang arjar kuar kala manjur ye ki rai shwaban pha e ka kaiphod cha ka menteri badai khmi ye finance ka sarkar india ka nirmala sitaraman haki khindiat singi banwan u mentirang ba ka jala megalia ulong ya ka jimanjur ye ki rai on sa IT pat sa ka jelang jong ka GST council ka ban simpat ye ka rai ka bakhado.
It was a very detailed meeting with a detailed presentation from all the stakeholders and especially our officials gave a detailed presentation. And after going through all the details, we have gone into aspects of the law. We have seen the Supreme Court ruling. We have seen what were the decisions that were taken in the past. And based on that, recommendations have been made. Only issue is that I will not be able to share those recommendations.
Sir.
The reason is because these are recommendations which I will have to present to the Honorable Finance Minister, and it has to be placed in the GST Council, and ultimately it is the Council that is going to decide. So therefore, the recommendations of GoM are only recommendations, and therefore at this point in time, it will be inappropriate for me or the GoM to really give details about those aspects. But the only thing I want to say is that all the decisions and recommendations that we have made have been based on existing laws that are in place, existing rulings from the Supreme Court, and keeping in mind the entire uniformity that needs to be maintained in the sector as a whole. There is, and very soon, as I said, GST Council will take a call. We have been asked to study this in detail, and we have given our recommendations, and the reports will be submitted based on the existing laws and the rules and the Supreme Court rulings that are in place, and that's the basis on which we have given our recommendations. As I said, exact numbers and all, it will not be appropriate.
So how soon the council will pick up the matter?
No, it's done. The decision has been made. We are submitting a report. Maybe in a day or two, whenever the report is ready, I will formally submit it to the Honorable Finance Minister, and we are hopeful that it will be taken up in the next GST Council.